Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our chapter is Equation. The exercise 12.2. Let us start in this exercise. Example 5. You can see here example 5. The sum of two numbers is 35 and their ratio is 1:4. Find out the number. So let the first number be x and second number is equal to, that means 35 minus x, because the sum of both number is 35. So according to question, their ratio is 1:4. It is given here. So ratio is, so x upon 35 minus x will be equal to 1:4. That means 1 upon 4. Now do the cross multiplication. That means the 4 multiplied to x, 4x, and 1 multiplied to 35 minus x. So this becomes 35 minus x. Now transfer this x on left hand side. So 4x plus x will be equal to 35. So it is 5x will be equal to 35. Then x equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. So x will be equal to 7. So you can write here first number is equal to 7. Now second number you can find, second number will be equal to 35 minus 7. So that means it is 28. So that will be your answer and this one is your answer. Now what is the verification? Verification, you can say first number is 7 and second number is 28. So their sum is 35. So that one is the correct. Now the ratio is 7 upon 28. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28. So that ratio is 1:4. So that is the correct answer. So let us do the next example. So it is the example 6. The denominator of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 4. So let numerator of this number of rational number is equal to x. So denominator of rational number is equal to how much? It is greater than numerator by 4. So you can add the 4, x plus 4. So according to question, you can write here according to question. What will be according to question? On adding 6 on numerator. So on adding 6. So 6 will be added in numerator and subtracting 3 from denominator. So denominator is x plus 4 subtracting 3. So 3 will be minus. So fraction of 10, that is a 3 by 2. So you have to write it is 3 by 2. So let us start how can solve this. X plus 6 and here is a 4 minus 3, that is 1. So you can write x plus 1 will be equal to 3 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Now how can do the cross? 3 is multiplied to x plus 1. So you can write 3 into x plus 1 and 2 is multiplied to x plus 6. Now come to the here. So 3 multiply inside. So it becomes 3x and plus 3. And here is 6. 2 multiplied to x. So it becomes 2x and 2 multiplied to this 6. It becomes 12. So 2x transferred to left hand side. So 3x minus 2x and this 3 is transferred to right hand side. So 12 minus 3. So it becomes x is equal to 12 minus 3, that is the 9. And it is your NR. NR will be equal to 9. So DR will be equal to, it is 9 plus 4. That one is 13. So your rational number is equal to nr upon dr, that means 9 upon 13. That is your answer. Now come to the verification. How can verify? Verification. So you can see fraction number is 9 upon 13. That means 9 plus 4 will be equal to 13. That means it is correct because it exceeds the 4. And now their ratio after subtracting this on adding 9 plus 6 and subtracting 13 minus 3. So it becomes 9 6, that is the 15, and here is 10. So 5 2 the 10 and 5 3 the 15. So it becomes 3 by 2. So our answer is correct because it is given as 3 by 2. So our hence verified. Now come to the example number 7. So what is in this? The sum of digit of two digit number is 12. The sum of two digit number is 12. On reversing the digit, if the new number is of 10 becomes 18 more than the original number. Find out the original number. So let once is x and tens is 12 minus x because the sum of these two numbers, that is the 12. So now on reversing the digits, how can reversing? Our number is 10x plus 12 minus x. On reversing means 12 minus x into 10 and plus only x. No. Yes, it's the original number. So it is 18 more than on reversing this number. So it will be plus 18 because it's the reversing number. So it's the tens, then it is units. Ones. So let us do the multiplication inside. So 12 into 10, that is 120 and minus 10 of x and plus x and plus 18. It will be equal to 10 minus 1, that is the 9 of x and plus 12. So let us do here something. What will be happen? Now 18 and 120. So it is 138 because the 8 and 0, that is 8, 2 and 1, 3 and 1 is 1. And it is minus of 9x will be equal to 9x plus 12. Now 9x transfer to the right hand side and 12 is transferred to left hand side. So 138 minus 12 will be equal to 9x and plus 9x. So 8 minus 2, that is the 6, and the 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 1 is as this, and 18 of x. So x will be equal to 126 upon 18. So here 2 9 are 18 and 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. Once again 9 7 are 63. So x becomes 7. So 10 minus 12 minus x is equal to 12 minus 7. So it becomes 5. So number is, or you can say digit. Digit will be equal to, it is 57. So that is your answer. So you can write very well. And now the two digit, there is a number, the sum of two digit numbers. So you can say on 57. So 5 plus 7. It is a verification. 5 plus 7, that is a 12. And it is correct. And now the reversing the number, that is the reversing the number 75. And 57 is original number. So subtract this. So we get how many? It is 8 and it is 1. That is 18. So 18 is here. You can see here. So our answer is correct. So that answer is 57. So you have to write this one. It's very clear. Now come to the example 8. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 raised to 5. On subtracting 4 from each, the ratio becomes 5 raised to 9. So first number, let the first number is equal to 3x because the ratio is 3 raised to 5. And the second number will be equal to 5x. So according to question, what will be happen? On subtracting 4 from each. So 3x minus 4 and here is 5x minus 4. It becomes 5 raised to 9. So 5 upon 9. Do the cross multiplication. So 9 multiplied to 3x minus 4 and here is 5 multiplied to 5x minus 4. So 5x minus 4. Now do the, you can write here by cross multiplication. So 9 3 are 27 of x minus 9 4 are 36, 5 5 are 25 of x and minus 5 4 are 20. Now 27x minus 25 of x, 25 transfer to left hand side and this 36 transfer to right hand side. So it becomes positive and it is here minus 20. So 27 minus 25 that is the 2 of x and here is only 16. 36 minus 20 that is the 16. So x will be equal to 16 divided by 2. So 2 8 just 16 that means it is 8. Now we can write here first number. First number is 3 into x, x is 8, so it is 24. Now second number, that is the 5x, so 5 into 8, that is 40. So that will be your answer. Now come to the verification. How can do the verification? Their ratio is, you can write this 24 upon 40. So 4 10 ja and 4 6 ja and 2 5 ja and 2 3 ja. So their ratio is 3 raised to 5. So you have to write 3 raised to 5. It is here given. And now come to the subtracting 4 from it. That is the 24 minus 4 and here is 40 minus 4. So it becomes 20 and it is the 36. Now 2 10 ja and here is 2 18 ja and 2 9 ja and 2 5 ja. So it becomes 5 on 9. That means 5 raised to 9 and which is given here 5 raised to 9. So your answer is verified. So you can do very well. Now come to the example 9. What is in your 9? The present age of the father is 20 years more than that of son. So let the present age of son equal to x years. His father present age of his father will be equal to 20 more than, that means x plus 20 years. Let us do after according to question. According to question. 20 after which one 3 years. After 3 years that means the x plus 3 and it is the x plus 20 plus 3. What will be happen? It becomes 19 raised to 39. So 19 raised to 39. Now correct them on this is the x plus 3 and here is x plus that is the 23 is equal to 19 upon 39. Now do the cross multiplication. Now cross multiplication. What will be happen? So 39 multiplied to x plus 3, it will be equal to 19 multiplied to x plus 23. So let us do here 39. So here is 39 of x plus 3 9 are 27. So 7 2 carry 3 3 are 9 and 2 11. And it will be equal to 19 of x plus this will be multiplying. How can multiply? You can see here it is the 19 and it is 23. So 3 9 are 27. So 2 is carry. 3 1 are 3 and 2 5. And here is 2 9 are 18. 1 carry and 3 2 1 are 2 and 1 3. Now adding it is 7 8 and 5 13 and 3 and 1 4. That is the 437. So you have to write here 437. Now transfer these terms. So 39 of x and here is minus 19 of x will be equal to 437 minus 117. Now subtracting 117 from this. So 7 minus 7 0, 3 minus 1 that is 2 and here 4 minus 1 that is 3. So 320 and 39 minus 19 it is 20 of x will be equal to 3200. So x will be equal to 320 from 20. So 0 will be cancelled out. 2 1 are 2 and 2 16 are 32. X will be equal to 16. So the sun is present age of sun is equal to 16 years and his father is present age of his father is equal to what? So it is 16 plus 20. That is the 36 years. So that will be your answer. So you have to do and also you can verify it yourself. You can do the verification. Now come to the next exercise. This exercise, the sum of two numbers 12. If the second number is twice the first one, find the number. So let the first number is equal to x. The sum of two numbers. The second number, so you can say second number will be equal to 42 minus of x. If the second number is twice the first number, second number is 42 minus x is twice the first number. So you can write here according to post. According to post. So you can do this one. So 42 will be equal to 2x plus x is transferred to right hand side, so it becomes plus x. So it is 42, so it becomes 3x. So you can write 3x is equal to 42. So x will be equal to 42 divided by 3. 3 1 are 3 and 3 1 are 3. 3 4 are 12. So x will be 14. So you can write here first number. First number will be equal to how much? 14. And the second number is equal to 42 minus 14. That means 12 minus 4, that is the 8. And here 3 minus 1, that is 2. So that will be your answers. Now you can check. How can check? 14 and 28. So plus here 8 and 4, that is the 12, and 3 and 1 4, that is 52, which is given here. And the number is, you can see 14 into 2. So that is the 28 and 20 is your second number. So hence verified. So you can do very well this one. Now come to the second question of this. Neeraj has mangoes 3 times that of the man. if Mang is given 8 mangoes more than Neeraj is given 6 mangoes more, the ratio of mango with Mang and Neeraj will be 1:2. Then how many mangoes does each have? Neeraj has mangoes 3 times that of the Mang. So let the Mang has mangoes. Let the Mang has mangoes will be equal to X and Neeraj has mangoes will be equal to, it is 3 times. You have to see it is the 3 times. So 3 of X. So according to question, what will Mank is given 8 mangoes. So that means X plus 8 upon Neeraj gives 6 mangoes. So that means it is 3x plus 6 and it becomes ratio is 1:4. So you can see it is 1 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So 1 is multiplied to 3x plus 6 and 2 is multiplied to 8x plus 8. Now 3x plus 6 will be equal to 2x plus 8 to the 16. So you have to write 16. So 3x minus 2x will be equal to, it is 6. Now it is the 16 minus 6. So x will be equal to 10. So you can say, so Mank has mangoes equal to 10 and the Neeraj has mangoes will be equal to 3 times of this. So 3 into 10, that is the 30. So that will be your answer. So you can do, you can see for the verification, you can see verification. So their ratio to 10 upon 30. So that is the 3 times. You can say it is 1 by 3. That means it is 3 times. And now adding this 10 plus 8 and here is 30 plus 6. So it is the 18 and it is 36. So 18 1 18 and 18 2. So it is the 1:2. Hence verified. Now come to the third question. Out of two equilateral triangles of the side of the first triangle is 3 centimeter more than that of the second. The ratio of perimeter in both triangle is 5:2. Then find out the side of the triangles. Once again, equilateral triangles has the side. First triangle is 3 centimeter more than that of second. Let the side of first triangle equal to x. Side of second triangle will be equal to, it is 3 centimeter more than, so x plus 3. Now come to the perimeter. Perimeter of first triangle upon perimeter of second. It will be given as 5:2. Here is, first of all, you can see here, it is the second triangle, the x, and the first triangle, that is the x plus 3 because it is given there. So perimeter is 3 times of the side, so 3 into side is given as first triangle, that is the x plus 3, so you have to write here x plus 3 and here is parameter is 3 times and it will be x. So which is given as 5 upon 2. So 3 will be cancelled out and do the cross multiplication. So 5 of x is equal to 2 into x plus 3. Now do the, it is a cross multiplication. Now multiply inside, so it becomes 2x and plus 6. Now transfer to left hand side. Now how can do this? You can see here, that is the 5x minus of 2x will be equal to 6, and it is 3x will be equal to 6, then x will be equal to 6 upon 3, 3 1 the 3 and 3 to the 6. So x equal to 2. So find out the side of the triangles. Okay, now the side of first triangle equal to, that is the x plus 3. So 2 plus 3, that is the 5 cm. And for second, the side of second triangle will be equal to, that is the 2 cm. So these are the answers. You have to write answer and you can do the verification. Now come to the fourth question. In two-digit number, the tens place digit is 3 times the digit is unit place. So first one, it is the unit place and it is the tens place. Let the unit place will be equal to, that is the x, and the two digits are the tens digit is 3 times the unit place. So you can write here tens digit. It is 3 times, so you can write 3x. Now if the digits are reversed, the new number becomes 36 less than the original number. So our number is what happens, if the digits are reversed, the new number becomes 36 less than the original number. So you can see here the original number is 10 into 3 of x plus x, and the new number is 10 of x plus 3x. It is the new number and it is the original number. So you can see here the new number becomes 36 less. So you have to less 36. Now do the cross. Now 10x plus 3x, that is the 13 of x, will be equal to, it is the 30 of x and plus 1 x and minus 36. So here is, you can see 13 of x is equal to 13 1 x and minus 36. 36 transfer to left hand side, so it becomes 36 positive. It is 31 of x minus 13 of x, because 13 transfer to right hand side. So here is 36 and here is 18 of x. So you can say 18 of x equal to 36. So x will be equal to 36 divided by 18. So 18 to the 36. So x becomes 2. And now x is equal to 2 and 3x is equal to 3 into 2, that is the 6. So you can see here the digit. Digit is equal to 62. Is your answer. Now verification. You can see verification. 2 into 3, that is the 6. It is the tens place and it is the unit place. Which one place? And the unit place is 3, 2, you can say. When 2 is multiplied by 3, so it becomes 6 and that is the tens place. So it is the verification, and now the answer is 62. Now reverse this 26 and subtract this. So we get it is the 6 and here is 3, 36. So that is the 36. You can verify this. Hence verified. Now come to the next question, the question number 5. The sum of the digit of two numbers is 7. So let the unit place will be equal to yours x, and the tens place will be equal to 7 minus x. So according to question, on reversing the original numbers, so reversing that means that is a 10x and plus 7 minus x. And here is, if not reversing, so it is the 10, 7 minus x and plus of x. So that means 9 more than. So we can add here 9. So now multiply here. So we can add here. So 10 minus x, that is the 9 of x plus 7 equal to here is 17 and minus 10 of x and plus x and plus 9. So 9x, here is 9x plus 7. What will be happen? It is the 70 of 9x and minus 9 of x. Now transfer this 9x on left hand side. So 9x plus 9 of x is equal to 79 and minus 7. So 9, 9, 18 of x and here is 72. So x will be equal to 72 upon 18. So 18 4 ja 72. So that means x will be equal to 4. So unit place is equal to how much? It is 4. Now you can find the tens. Tens place is that the 7 minus 4, that means 3. So you can say digit is equal to 34. So that will be your answer. Now verification. How can verify the digit sum is? So you can sum, the 3 plus 4, that is the 7. So our answer, that one is the correct. Now the reversing this one, it is the 43 and 34. So you can subtract this. So 13 minus 4, that is the 9. So you can see here it is the 9. So hence it is verified. Now come to the sixth question. Denominator of a rational number is 2 more than the numerator. So let numerator is equal to x, then denominators will be equal to x plus 2. You can see here that is the 2 more than. If the numerator is increased 4 times according to this. What is the, if the numerator is increased 4 times. So 4 into numerator, that is the x, and the denominator, that is the x plus 2, because it is 2 more than. And 8 is added to the denominators. 8 is added to the denominator. So we can add 8. The new number would be 4 by 3. So you can write here 4 by 3. Let us do what will be happening this. So you can do this. It is the 4x and here is the x plus 10 and it will be 4 upon 3. Now do the cross multiplication. Now do the cross multiplication. You can write here cross multiplication. Yes. So 3 multiplied to 4x is equal to 4 multiplied to x plus 10. So here is 12 of x is equal to 4 of x and 4 times that is the 4. So 12 of x minus 4 of x is equal to 40. So here is 8x will be equal to 40. So x will be equal to 40 divided by 8. Now 8 5 the 40. So x will be equal to this one is 5. Now and x plus 2 will be equal to 7. So our rational number is equal to 5 upon 7. That one is your answer. Now what will be happen? You can verify this one number. Verification. What will be happen? So 7. Here is the 4 times. That is the 5 into 4. That is 20. And here is the 7 plus 8. That is the 15. So 5 4 ja and 5 3 ja. So it becomes 4 by 2. So that will be correct answer. So you can see here that is given as in your question. So hence verified. Now come to the seventh question. The age of Arun and Akash are in the ratio of 7 raised to 5. So let Arun age will be equal to 7 of x and Akash age will be that is the 5x and that is the present age years and you can write here years. So it is the present age. You can write here present Akash is and this present age of Arun. So you can see here after 6 years. So what will be happen after 6 years? Their age would be in the ratio of 5 days. So according to question. So it is the 7 of x, 7x and here is 5x. So after which year? After 6 years. So add 6. So it becomes that is the 5 days to 4. So you have to write 5 days to 4. Now do the cross multiplication. What will be happen here? Now 4 is multiplied to 7x plus 6 and 5 is multiplied to 5x plus 6. Now 7 4 are 28 of x and plus 4 6 are 24 and 5 5 are 25 of x and plus 5 6 are 30. Now here 28 of x minus 25 of x will be equal to 30 minus 24. So here is only 3x. So you have to write here it is 3 of x and here is the 30 minus 24 that is the 6. So it will be equal to 6. So x will be equal to 6 upon 3. So 3 1 the 3 and 3 to the 6. So x will be equal to 2. Now you can write the present age of Arun. So you can write present age of Arun. It will be that is the 2 into 7 into 2 that is the 14 plus. And the present age of Akash that is the 5 into 2 that is the 20. 5 to 2 that is 10 years. That the 5 into 2 it will be 10 years. So that will be your answer. And now you can do the verification also. Now question number 8. Manisha's mother is twice the age of Manisha. So let the Manisha percentage. Let the present age let the present age of Manisha is equal to x years. Now present age of her mother. It is the 3 times, so you can say 3x years. It is the thrice age. Okay. After 4 years. Mother's age would be 2.5 times of the Manisha after 4 years. So after 4 years, so mother's age will be equal to 3x plus 4, and the Manisha age is x plus 4, and it is given as 2.5 times. So you can write here 2.5 times. Let us do 3x plus 4 will be equal to 202 and 1 5 upon, and it will be x plus 4. So 2 multiplied to here, it is the cross multiplication. So you can see here 3x plus 4, and now multiply inside, so it becomes 5x plus 4 on 5 the 20. Here is 6 of x and plus 2 4 the 8, and it is the 5x plus 20. Now transfer to 5x to the left hand side, so 6x minus 5x, and 8 is transferred to right hand side, it becomes minus of 8. So x will be equal to 12. So you can write here this type. So Manisha present is, it will be 12 years, and her mother is, it will be 3 into 12, so that is the 36 years. So that will be your answer. So you can check the verification. How can verify verification? How can verify 3 times? You can see here. So 12 into 3, that is the 36. It will be correct 3 times. And now 2.5 of the Manisha. So 12 into 2.5, what will be upon 12 into 2, 2 to the 5, 5 by 2. So 2, 6 the, it is 12 plus 4 into 2.5, that is the 16 into 5 by 2, so 2 8 just, so it becomes 40. And now you can see 36 plus 4, that becomes also 40. So both are equal, hence verified. ये एक्सरसाइज यहीं समाप्त हो रही है। अब इसके नीचे ये लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके। और इसी के साथ मैं एक्सरसाइज समाप्त करता हूँ और थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।